Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a simple kitchen basin is drawing here, and today this you can see here easily. This kitchen basin is a simple and learn here all process, create a design, use in CATIA, and this is a use in CATIA software, and this kitchen basin is drawing here simply, and all process is learn here one by one. Okay, and this is a view is a multi view is drawing here. Okay, and this is a kitchen basin is a back side. Okay, this is a perfect, all is a looking perfect. Okay, this is a nice looking here. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect isometric view is okay. Guys, one by one is drawing here. This is a simple looking here. Okay, at first start a mechanical design and use part. Okay, okay guys, at first select a plane is a XY plane, and draw here drawing a center rectangle. Okay, center rectangle is drawing here, and mention dimension is a 210. Okay, and 140. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and click a corner is a okay, no corner is used here because this is a raw material is used here. Okay, pad command is used here, and pad is a 72. Okay, this is a perfect. And okay, this is a raw material is a okay, and use this face and apply here. Okay, this is a perfect. A rectangle is draw here. Okay, this is a corner rectangle. This is a rectangle is simple drawing here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and use a corner, and this is a corner is a 16 is correct. Okay, okay, and mention any dimension is a this is a okay, this bit height, and okay, this is a perfect. This length and this length is a okay, this is a okay, okay, this okay, at first okay, this is a undo is okay, this is Control Z is not work, undo is apply here. Okay, 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 this is a okay, 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 at first select this line and this line, and right click here and use a allow symmetry line, and this is a this line is a okay, symmetry is perfect. Okay, okay, and then a corner is this all is a select here, and 16 is 16 millimeter is correct. Okay, all is perfect, and mention any dimension is okay, and this dimension okay, this is a okay, this is a correct. This dimension is a looking perfect, and also this is a this dimension is a correct. Okay, all is maintained here. 110 is correct, and this is a 20 is perfect, and also 20 is perfect. Okay, all is correct, but this is a 120 is perfect. Okay, this is a perfect. 25 is correct. Okay, 25 is correct here, and 22 is better. Okay, and okay, correct, and okay, exit, and use a pocket, and this is a 62 is correct. Pocket is a 62 is perfect, and also use a edit. This face is edit a 20 millimeter. Okay, this is a looking perfect, and also edit is a this is a 10 is correct. Okay, 10 is more, but 6 is better. Okay, perfect, and this face click a sketch drawing a center rectangle. Okay, center rectangle is drawing here. This is a draw a this. Okay, mention dimension, this dimension and this dimension is a okay, this is a perfect. This is a 194 is correct, and this is a 130 is correct. Okay, 196 is better, and also 132 is correct. Okay, looking perfect. Okay, this is a 198, and this is a 134. Okay, 132. Okay, this is a perfect, and exit, and pocket is used here, and this is a 5 is correct. Okay, this is a 6 is better. Okay, correct, and again this face is sketch drawing a elongated hole, and any create a design. Okay, this is a so nice and looking so perfect. Okay, this is a perfect, and click a translate 8 is a correct, 8, and click this and draw a this is a correct. Okay, looking so nice, draw here. Okay, this is a 8 is this 9 10 is also perfect, and looking so nice. Okay, this is a correct, and exit. Okay, and pocket is use a pocket is 6. This direction is a downward, reverse direction is correct. Okay, this is a preview is showing here. This is a perfect. Okay, and this is a edit a edge fillet 1 millimeter is perfect. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, fillet is use a 1 millimeter, and click 1 by 1 is this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, this is a clear here, Okay, zoom all is a perfect. Edit one, click this, not all, select here, one by one is click a separate. Okay, this is a looking perfect. Okay, so nice looking here. And this is a 1 by 1.2 is 1.5 is correct. Okay, this is a looking super. And again select a fillet. Fillet is a 1. Also select this face and separate, click here, 1 by 1 is separate, is click here, not a all is select. Okay, this is a looking so perfect. Okay, and again select this sketch, and this is a circle is a draw here midpoint. Okay, this is a okay, looking so nice. And click a, this is a, and direction is upward, back, this reverse direction is correct. Okay, and okay, this is a, click here, and this is a up to last. Okay, okay, and use a cell command, and this 1 by 1 all face is select here, and then click a extra part is remove here. Okay, and so nice, and click okay, this is a looking so perfect. Okay, this is a looking nice. Okay, isometric view is drawing here, and all is perfect. And select this face, click sketch, and this is a, click a, this is a, this, and again click a, this looking so perfect. Draw a, this is also drawing here. Okay, again select a, this is a, this, all is perfect. Okay, click a, diameter is 10, again select a 10, 1 by 1 is click here, and all is diameter is 10. Okay, okay, all is diameter is, double click here, and diameter is edit here, this is a 10. Okay, okay, and change here this is a, okay, diameter is change, 12 is better, and this is also 12 is perfect. Okay, but this is a 10, and exit, and this is a correct. Okay, looking perfect. And this use a pocket, and pocket is direction is upward because direction is reverse, and preview is showing here, this is a looking perfect. Okay, this is a correct, all is perfect, and all plane is hide because this body is looking perfect. Okay, and multi-view is drawing here, all is correct. Okay, this is a so nice looking here, but this body is isometric, and use a material okay, material is apply here, and this is a so nice. Okay, metal and steel is correct, but this is all is correct. and this right click here and this property and select this is a reflectivity is very high, but this is a looking so nice, all is correct, and material is used here. Okay, this material is a looking so nice. Okay, okay, this is a okay correct, apply here, this is a correct, this is a this basin is a looking so nice. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, okay, isometric view is drawing here and this is a correct, and zoom in. Okay, looking so nice, this is a correct. Okay, drawing all is perfect, and multi view is draw here, this is a all is correct, and this is a back side face. Okay, all is correct, looking so perfect. Okay, this is a correct, all is so nice looking here. Okay, 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 okay guys, this kitchen basin is drawing here a simple drawing, all process is learn here easily. I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos, please subscribe this channel and like and share. And guys, next lecture is coming soon, and next product is a simple product, and then all is a product one by one is learn here, and all product are beautiful, so good product is learn one by one is discuss here easily and clearly. Okay guys, thank you.